Hello classmates, I'm Janelle.
And I'm Reginald.
Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to use the shaker water bath.
In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to effectively and safely operate this essential laboratory equipment in your experiments.
So, let's begin. A shaker water bath, also known as a water bath shaker, is a versatile instrument designed for mixing or agitating samples while maintaining them at a precise controlled temperature in a water medium.
Water baths are widely used in clinical and university laboratories, environmental research facilities, and food technology sectors. Common applications include warming reagents, conducting corrosion tests, performing bacteriological investigations, incubating cell cultures, and enzymatic studies. For the preparation, ensure the shaker water bath is clean and free from residue. Verify that the drain port is securely closed. And lastly, fill the container with the appropriate amount of distilled or deionized water.
To test, power on the shaker water bath. Set the required shaking speed and temperature. Allow the unit to run briefly to confirm proper functionality. Power off after testing. Carefully place your samples into the shaker water bath. Ensure they are secure and balanced. Start the shaking process and monitor periodically.
For the shutdown procedure, once shaking is complete, turn off and unplug the shaker water bath. Insert the drain pipe into the drain port. Drain the water before retrieving your samples.
For cleaning, remove all samples from the bath. Ensure the unit is completely drained. Congrats classmates! You have now mastered the fundamentals of using and maintaining a shaker water bath.
We hope that this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to effectively utilize this indispensable laboratory.
Stay curious, stay safe, and keep innovating.